Today, we're exploring how you can enhance your stock trading and investing strategies using cutting-edge AI tools. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the financial markets, making sophisticated trading strategies accessible to everyone. Let's dive into how you can leverage these platforms to make informed investment decisions. In today's fast-paced markets, staying ahead requires more than traditional analysis. AI-powered platforms can process vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and opportunities that human traders might miss. This technology enables both novice and experienced investors to make data-driven decisions with greater confidence. Let's take a closer look at 3 AI platforms transforming the trading landscape. 1. FinChat, an all-in-one investment research platform that combines institutional-grade financial data with conversational AI. FinChat provides accurate financial data on over 100,000 global public companies, including financials, analyst estimates, and key performance indicators. Its AI assistant allows you to turn data into discussions, making complex financial analysis more accessible. 2. Tickeron. This platform offers AI-driven trading tools, including customizable neural networks that create AI robots specializing in specific trading algorithms. Tickeron's odds of success feature provides confidence levels for potential trades, helping traders make informed decisions. 3. Capitalise.ai, a user-friendly platform that enables traders to automate their strategies without any coding knowledge. By using everyday language, you can create, test, and deploy trading scenarios, allowing for efficient and emotion-free execution. These platforms empower you to analyze markets, automate trades, and manage your portfolio with AI precision. Here's how you can begin. First, sign up by visiting the websites of FinChat, Tickeron, and Capitalise.ai to create your accounts. Next, explore features and familiarize yourself with each platform's tools, such as FinChat's AI assistant, Tickeron's AI robots, and Capitalise.ai's strategy automation. Then develop strategies by utilizing the platforms to research, create, and backtest trading strategies that align with your investment goals. Finally, automate and monitor your strategies. Let the AI monitor and execute trades on your behalf, ensuring you don't miss out on potential opportunities. By integrating these AI tools into your trading routine, you can enhance efficiency and decision-making. And while AI tools can elevate your trading strategies, having a solid financial foundation is crucial. WorldQuestCapital.com specializes in helping entrepreneurs and businesses secure high-limit vendor, store, fleet, and cash credit in your company's name without personal guarantees or credit checks. This service is invaluable for separating personal and business finances by establishing credit linked to your business EIN, protecting your personal assets. You can also access capital quickly, obtaining funding in as little as 72 hours, even if you're a startup or have credit challenges. Additionally, building business credit enhances your company's credit profile, making it easier to secure loans and favorable terms in the future. WorldQuestCapital.com is committed to providing the best business credit services, empowering you to grow your investments and business simultaneously. Integrating AI into your trading strategy can significantly enhance your investment outcomes. Platforms like FinChat, Tickeron, and Capitalise.ai offer powerful tools to navigate the complexities of the stock market. Additionally, strengthening your financial foundation with services from WorldQuestCapital.com can provide the support needed for sustained growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and share your experiences with AI in trading in the comments below. Let's harness the power of AI to achieve financial success together.